Well, I bring you because I gibberish beka ya pomu de won come how do nyina. Ade be bia da meka se edu apomu de ni adesua ne edu bambo nsensema. Se azomani si pose ni bebre ni etima de se ye nano da na ye ka Dwaso Health Center. In fact, nano da mi ankasa mi kuro mu kura na meka ho asem. Ayaresa bia e wonom ne nsema hodo a ekoso. For instance, Dwaso for instance, bia ba ko honom a e ma ne mema enyina da dwaribom as of that time of those times. Ye kofa wa ne ye kan was very poor facility and always state and woman ni pe binim kura juma for bi wom won so anamo ntu a woni tu ni nyoma bia woni ya chese ubusa ho se ni papa muni anasa de again this is a hospital a car e fa nipa e ne kwa yaresa bia me ambulance e fa nipa na o kwam no e ne kwa yaresa bia no sa ambulance corona so the sa fa funu kan wo sa fa pimfo so it's horrible we are just one in a million enti ene enya mo wan say Achiase Health Center so ehwehwe si form a agiegu a eno so e won komo na kwa nioma bebre say oko ye Facebook or mabo say sa health facility a kana health center e kan wasemi e ade a ye chimguo hospital ho asem titru mia wodo a ekopiepie a typical example am dem a wodi aso yi eno kran kodan che no se wan kasa wo my God nim baby a wo hye baby a wo bia isi a ka se kan wo yare sabia e wo honom no te bia e wo ma I'm sure say enya de a ebetimi enya de papa e de afrim nti ene ye ka say se wo hwe Achiase Health Center state a wo ma you are asking yourself say why should it be so na nipa da so ekoho ana na nipa ko so a doctor for ho ana a nurse for ho ana yenko eastern region na infonyina yehui yemusa yensia na mu ne onum Kwame Jan se ayade a ekoso eni ana Kwame machi apom ti say Kwame machi boko de
nyame adum boko na say
well ye ka say wo Achiase
mba sa ma Achiase
na sa videos na de brand sa na wo ho ana
sa na wo ho na bi mpo chan ni nyina mpo antimi amba
a hospital in operation ana
ha jene
nipa ko sa ayaresa bia no
nipa ko mo ya juma
o dabi o de odi brand ye ba bia nipa ko
ho no ya juma ye beka mu nsem amani wo bia so atimi apie
so eba no say na bedu sa te bia wo mi
o ba hwiem e wa Achiase e wo Achiase district apie mantemu a na chese bia bia hunu se ampa Achiase agidi pa esane ayasujafo asrafo wo hanti na obepiem wo ayasabia wo hanum se Achiase Health Center ade a tibia wo mu no enhyeda nkoyi sa na wo hwe afi omusie afi empemdu nkron ani adusemi 1962 a omusie sa ayasabia ya eda so wo hono chese renovation bia no enhyeda nko so gise ba kope analyze opani bi ebeyeye na dan mmene dai ana yebo apo bepiem hanum se ya o hwe tebiae ayasabia no ma enya kra na ne twa sunumu kwa ne se wakopie baabi a ye ma amene mu yi afafura bosome nkron no kɔ wo no na empai si hɔ ebinu pɛ baako adi 30 years a se hwe mu enna na mafo di achen bebre na pani a chese awen kana yankasa e ka se rastina sa ana se pan aye e ha dwene na bepie mu nso e wo so ho sin bebre ya de a challenge se ho no e doso a se buru adwene ne ntiase so wo yi nyina nso fi mu a emfuye pa afu e wo hanum se no odwe ho awon ntiase busa
me ba Kwame
nti sei ana
Kwame me ba
ana sitie
yeah Kwame me ba me hwe mfonyin no na mfonyin a me hwe wa me nya sure se ho ye hospital sa na woka mfonyin a me hwe wa no ana anya sa mfonyin a ye yi wa ha yi a me hu se da hwehwe si form da nya papa na awon na Achiase facility no
no I ho asem na me kan
wow Achiase Health Center Kwame na we sure ade a me hu ha because nya dan na aye fia nwura twa fa ho a ne health center no
no one health center na ye kan wa
apoto bibre ura this okay we dey me sure is that the case
na no ano no
na hospital penyu ni way
e wo Achiase
na say hospital penyu or that hospital na no way
penyu no that hospital na no or no ka say na be de achi o hanum sei me pa say senka me de be giama na ka woni na twinko
yes
na ehu nsem awu bia no wetimi aka kyerɛ bibia no wetimi akɔ esi na be ya Ntiase nso besia ye adwuma na adesrede omuhia no aban anaso manfo nso atimi abɛyɛ momwa na bibia atimi akoyie em se owura ben meja ma na Omanhene wan kasa so watimi na twinkomo na bibia atimi akoyie.
Well, you're Ben apom to say
hello nyame adom
maternity ward ho na uwura ma esoro ho na mapoto bi bre twa ho nyina achia. How and you are manage such a facility? Sanity.
Yeah, hello.
Otimeka. Yeah, me say me hwe mfonyini wo ha no say be say ogitum say sanity because me hwe entrance to maternity no. Maternity ward no apoto bi bre na twa ho nyina achia net no atete e ho fusan. Is that the case?
Yes, exactly.
Now say yes exactly. Na IGF moji dey.
Me ba cho the tie say ye internal generation fund no. The woman say e fund bia fund say obi non insured obi ababetia obi aba no nkwa insurance na waba no. Drugs ewum and a service na ye generating as the fund no. But service no we don't actually charge that much. Sometimes ebia obi abakra na ne service kakra sometimes 1 cedi or 2 cedis or baby kitu ebinti the little things are this service ni ebia bob ewu ebia we asay ebia we hia pen ebia we hia book san man keten ni the sorting out but ye hwema fa ye niema na ase no u hwema asefem u hwema wan hwa che uni baba ko no be hu a che wan hwa che do salary ekokoye you are not supposed to use your salary because you are working as a monthly man or a person or a worker. Iti saa niyaman keten na saa ye fund no etimi eye but saa eba renovation akese na enka ye hwemu ni primu pa enka it should be a fund coming from the community or from the government.
Ba me ba enti hospital na ho afuti se kwaye saa no
be pacho ye no kre.
Wow.
Na ye throw letters ye the letters akoto ye district director enim about laborers. And I'm saying a feedback from the district as the assembly watching say ha and my labor bako no they wanted almost almost 200 Ghana cedi but land no a chance center you will land into obedo bako pen no see ontimi no ko ba day kura na otimi 200 in a week. How can he take the whole campus or into obedo bako pen when see hebium and a boss no kren say I had don't know 200 cedis with one person on yet. There's no way obey. It's even more than twice of a stadium.
But it's a dirty place.
More than 2 or 3 times of it.
The hospital looks very dirty. Very unhealthy.
Very deplorable state.
Hospital?
Yes, boss.
Achiase Hospital.
Achiase Hospital. It's all the staff will be a bahanu bihunha. Obesha or say omma. The ama ye mu bia bobo and say ye mu bi nyamisro ni odona ye because if you been it mu bi if you odani asenini ye been tin aba enye to be honest enye no panka some of us won't come because I want the state is bad.
Okay, but
and so enye
but say mo champagne for say money district director health akasa money member of parliament akasa money nana matenase mensi cracking
even last week crime director craba supervision ewa and my misade they call rounds. Now one of my cry was even an oddly a whole facility. You were oddly back up oddly no crowd. He's an old woman next year or retirement. Apart from that, me and Kasa, to be honest, me buy health mo. Me chinching other hospitals and other places. Oh yeah, Juma as midwife. Min kwa say ba maternity a chance health center. Offer Brim South. Na offer a chance health center eboma uyi Catholic hospital na e charge ni piwa a chance na recording most of the indicators a wo kura no ye na je ne kese e ba pin for ye na hwe ne kese me no ka say midwife ni you know ba ko ni ko leave me ye bema be a midwife magia what this month in last month that's September what do you call it October September magia what 24 ni nam yankasa me running morning me running afternoon me running night me running evening. Even Bangalore, the whole month, I slept there twice.
Yeah, but me who
I was spending the whole night at the bank, the maternity ward.
But me who mobo. It look as if someone a little bit irresponsible in managing the hospital. Can that be the case?
But they tell you say, who push here, it doesn't end anywhere.
Who push it is saying?
Say, ye tro ubetro propose at to say uhia oddly for the past 2 years near or bad time be war a trade the baby to placenta ye baby placenta a trade the tugu amnana ye ma last year e ma me tro koto me director nim no ka tell me say me mo bi ma me nipa ko ne ba also 1,500 up to now they didn't propose oman push on that 1,500 aye to amna say obi a trade the wa be wo ye to agum kura ne they didn't push it me no ka say amnana aye ma ana last week me director kra by ma na be say aye ma ebe ha bin because e dey yare bebrebe
na se masa o ka chemi na wa ade de pacho me kura me hwe mfonyi no na hospital kura poto bibire dware na ho no so a aye nwura te se kwaye enye owo ne na again timomu te sa bola ne ho ana mo pese mo fire foforo ma mo is that the case
bola ne po de boss you see no de amaye say because yeni obimpo be yini titi ye twa scan ye wo apin for bosumi bia me ma odanfo be scan ma apin for no ntom be twa app scan na ene e de kakra 1 cedi ato apin for no scan no be twa no so mutia 1 cedi ye de contribute ayema zoom line for be ye bola
what
and open is here sorting it out. It is our funding in New York. I mean, by this and baller Friday all over the place.
So, Mansin Cratch, no DC, no, on the way. In the end, all your phone, or the end, what car phone? Hello? Well, I can't believe this.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Otimika. Yeah, Otimika. Me say, Mansin Cratch, no, DC, no, on the way.
Boss, media, to be honest, 2 years near me bar facility. Me who MP ewa hada me who DC ewa hada on him to be honest me the mean intro me who on him or facility hada
I see but
me phone na one back who man back be abebe
mo MP ni wan
me ba to say
MP ni wan
MP ni Robert Amoa honorable Robert Amoa on any MP of Atianse
okay me ba Kojo Fojo honorable Robert Amoa Kwajo Fojo honorable Robert Amoa mo hwe na mo friend my madaroma honorable Robert Amoa
yeah me 2 years ni me ba me hu no hada
na DC no so
DC in so boss me no ka say me so 2 years ni me ba me hu no hada
okay Dasibre Jan Kentin achiase hene na wadaroma ye beda wase pa o se wagibre na oso ni ebedi nkomo na de me hwe wo me kasa fidie su yi de na wachiase hospital no enye papa sa o Dasibre hello Dasibre wadaroma otimenka
hello
wadaroma otimenka Dasibre otimenka well difficulty say obetimenka but me say mama come common so na me nua wa chiase Dasibre otimenka Dasibre otimenka Dasibre otimenka unfortunately I'm say Dasibre line intimi engira so ye yen koso na yen common na yen nua be ma ono so de nchire mu bre no era be so do wa homa no so otimenka say hello nana mpacho otimenka
Emma
ba me meti oni pa o meti oni otimenka de unfortunately I'm say but ben yento come on na baba ke be sa na kasa so ben na me busa se na ka me busa se na ohene aba ho ana Mansi Cratch so aba ho Mansi Cratch no ne wan hello Ben
yes sir hello
me say Mansi Cratch as in DC no ne wan
Pacho, boss, to be honest, me mom di me Pacho, your friend Richmond Amponsa.
Waba hoda.
Richmond Amponsa. Me Pacho, me hu no hada.
Richmond Amponsa no so ma hoda.
O ma hoda. Say waba no wabesi mechi dia minim, but as me what has as far as I'm concerned here in 2 years in this health center, me hu no hada.
DC no hu no hoda.
Hello.
Nana wadaro mautimenka.
Hello.
Nana wadaro mautimenka.
Hello.
Okay. Yan kona eni mrashe bedwani no su ni nkomo na ehwese. Yera Robert Amoa mautimenka.
Hello.
Yera Robert Amoa mautimenka.
Hello.
What's happening? Here, Robert Amwa.
Hello.
Unfortunately, let me say, honestly, Ben Yanto come on so. Ben Yanto. Yes, more fundraising, Mr. Mode, yes, hospital. And so as me saying.
Okay, me pacho me da say.
Did you can for fundraising? Yeah.
Na afashe no, enye obi say me say me call ho me afashe because your mind afashe. I had an opportunity to me call afashe na be. But on the poster no, I saw say in aid to renovate Achianse Health Center.
He for the event, he for the organizers event, no.
Yeah, hello.
He for the organizers event, no.
Me ba so I any day e kum ha impenifo no ahemfo and na organizers afashe no.
Okay, bit you.
You know, in aid of to renovate Achianse Health Center, and I'm win. So I was happy, say and check, because of mine home, so I'm be renovate health center no. But to be honest, if you say we fashion no, next month, me sure say next month another afashe esaba because I am almost celebrating November, December. There is another festival going on. From last year, I 9th of I have never seen any fun coming from them.
But how much is Mudimu?
But they were because I fashion now no sponsors at them, and I am raising funds Sunday in the crowd and say all churches back together and for real. And the main aim was to renovate the health center because the health center now is in a deplorable state. And
I'm saying say Omujiji Sika ewo Mudimu.
Hello.
Me patron I ewo yedimu.
Honorable Kwame Honorable Robert Amwa owa homa no so ana.
Me waso.
Match apom ti say.
Motiminga.
Ye te o kapa yi pa. Na so ti enka.
Okay.
Wadar ma so ti enka.
Me so metimunga. E kase die but
ye danyame ase. Achiase health center, what's the problem?
Achiase health center. Me o kasa no. Em se wonu a won ti ho. So si wo hu MP wo ho no. Won ti ho. Nansanya enua kase bi a ebubu agu dan no so nyina me ana me ko bubu ni ma ye bubu na me tiaka hospital ho nyina na hafu me ti sabo ka IGF ho asem na ye no ho me ana makobo pa me ya do ho nyina me ka say merci 5 seater KVI water closet wo ho e di key amawon me see ya ka say omo mbuye nkofo kura akoso e di sani pa na wo kasa no em say hospital wo nko mo fura ewura ba kan wo ye nurse ofi atiasi kromu ha na mo mi sano na wo video ya finu ni ade ejira na wo mi sa development so wasi wo ba ho no onhu MP da no onhu obi a wo ho da no obuami amasistan Solomon Amwa woko nansia mini hokra ono na omukotia saa sika ni nyina ma wo ma ye hojima enti wonu ankasa onti ho masaja tisa omufa mu committee no mo ha wi a mo fa metu manim
but era Robert Amwa era Robert Amwa otimeka
me ana me kwato besi hoduma pumping si ogum
adaruma
water closet in maternity si onu bi wo this another thing wo mu yesi no no mo man go for you na go for ni Europe but we dey maminka anama matu wo nanka me renovate some 2 years ago we to a dano and 9 or 5 eboso na leaky hospital some 2 years or thereabout Nelly is Matusu Aboso, Nanka Mibusu Ameye, but with the Akba Parliament, Makan was 20th June, on 20th June 2019, Minister of Health, the year of Parliament, said Oma capture some 8 polyclinics, Matiasika 2019, yeah, it's in a million of basing, I'm Nanka Mayo, Master Catrado. Because you have a young fool for the clinic here. Other than what is the economy for being to use you from my other thing. But critical things. what would I say?
I see.
But whatever have they been using that IGF for? Our man to me and family couldn't plan no ho. And my MP Makodo, and you want one casano on
Honorable Robert Amautemenka. You've made me sad. Me say wama me ra ho anope because your submissions they are not hopeful. Say me hwem fonina ye yi che me fonina etwa no na no kwasi da we ya etwa no na no kwasi da we ya was on person so. But I'm saying say na no kwasi da we ya na kuntwa fonina ye ke na hospital uru ma potu bi bra mu ma hospital e ho afuti se kwaye hospital facilities in break it down and you keep talking hold on remember but hold on me say the old canon ye hopeful because Ocean Hospital I make sure idea na no kwasi da ya na me ma me nkofo kotwa bae na ohwe nsem a wo kan dia e boy bro. In any case, the biggest challenge of the hospital is not necessarily a janayon. You are the okay kan ni info you na me hwe wa hai is not even BS. What's he say?
What do you
I say the okay kan wa hai ni info you na me hwe wa hai dia e boy bro because
specifically
complete building is si ho nyina no crowd building nankasa si ho nankasa yare. It looks like an abandoned building.
Yes.
It looks like an abandoned building. And no kranko danche krano, the environment itself is conducive for a hospital. And no so kranko danche krano, maternity ward nankasa mfo nyina mesho hanum say terrible. But all that you are saying is a dining you and wapaso and wakosi KVIP and but what I'm seeing here is not a matter of KVIP. And again, this is somebody a jumum hall for 2 years. We're raising critical issues, but you are saying that the person is not there. Also, on call for they act on your behalf. So who is telling the truth? Because it's in a horrible state, very horrible. I'm surprised that you are not coming along to say but rather you are putting up defense for the mediocre job by why you want them say. Yeah. Also, she a DCU holder.
And I'm listening to say, now stay here. There 1.5 months. Well, Makodo, I'm probably making moves to say, Yabayano, a football, am I?
Okay, now, or remember what was not Ben. Why do you also put a picture and paint a picture as he's a member of parliament or Mauda? Why? Why do you do that? Why? Menya me no cry, many patron no. Me say Ben, utie mo wa so. Ben. Adam na unchan for unity said the member of parliament in Mahod Krada. Why do you want to attempt to lie on this big show? Why?
No, boss, the attempt say, I can say we are lying.
My question is that why are you attempting to lie Pachotie? Before we proceed. Messi before we proceed. Messi before we proceed. Asemenake, I can kasa nieka. Yeah, but the not that opportunity at the radio show. We need to speak to the issues as it is. And make a can be a train answer our questions. You may say, oh yeah, me pacho, hold on. We are solving the problem. Yeah, they throw any accusation or problem. We will not get to the basis of the problem. Oh, how? Now you are accusing the member of parliament and the district chief executive, as well as opinion leaders. Sometimes to the extent that but any sustainable. But here is a member of parliament. All culture say certain major renovations be akoso. We are aware. You've seen them. Toilet facility, and then just recently. And then you sit there and say nothing is going on.
Boss, the says our renovation I can watch me. Me in my castle, na me cafe. Me ba hadie. Renovation a course was last year. That was this year for Honorable Marfo. And a bay renovation MIA that all tiles in here. And obey our renovation kakre MIA. But apart from renovation, you know, there have a phone, we can say district assembly, a man go for be ever doha. But almost yes, you be found, no say, only Nipa Baco, Abbatuan, yes, it was so many 200 or doing 9, 20 years, only say Jumano. International Arma Yaha, efu because yeni labor bia obehwe ya ha adwuma na amayen
wahum rashe bedwani no na wahum rashe bedwani ne KVIP no ben wahum KVIP no wahum
de ba so say
ne KVIP no wahum
de ba so ye KVIP no ye tell say KVIP no well meaning there but KIV ni ye on mine KIV not the for the facility and then here
hello
honorable na also ade ade
on mine facility on mine ade
on my bed
no why are you doing that?
It's not for the facility.
Pacho Benjina, so honorable member of parliament. Mr. Honorable member of parliament for I don't know, yes, sir. Adi I was here more minor. Adi I was here more minor. And now the Mirika catches was here.
Oh, my dear, yes, a hospital behind the wall, there is a 5 units, 5 speakers, water cross set there. Authorities know. It was so money. Oh, my dear, no, it's a new thing. Now, and then Mr. Ben was personal president. On one Kakauba, why don't you meet your member of parliament? Member of my maternal. My
MP, Yanka say, oh, more homodio. But the agent said, question will be some and one of me, Yano.
Question won't be so. What's the woman? What does our bank go? Uncouching service, wouldn't have me, Anna, me back. And I would see what a process in no mind, yes, some out here.
Wow.
MP, me patrol a boss, me patrol the CNC, facility, what the KVIP na air cost. Me patrol say,
who are managing it?
Hello.
Obusase Hospital, no. Obusase Hospital, one manage.
I'm feeling like you are also. You was how my back on me told I was like me. My back was my too. Oh, let them think that I'm better. What I first, you know. Hey, can't get this, you know. When I'm talking you. Now, what picture do you want to paint?
No, MP, me patrol tank ya can once me. My question is bisa me miss me once me. Yes, say Oma Beka maternity apopo bibre wo ho. Then me ya no. Me patrol apopo bibre no. Me tumi ka say eni ho, me no ka say e wo ho. Neta omo ka say asay no ko e wo ho. Omo bisa me question say I have to. No ko I have to. Omo bisa me say I can say toilet facility all can once me Nancy mo about the pictures about bungalows now any some few toilet facilities na enya no omo buy me mo take pictures omo di one dance say nyema di nya nti nyema wa be ye no yen ka say MP unya yo but since I bisa me e ho asem na
okay
bia no
pamcho yenyina ha pamcho Ben Jinasu me pacho Ben Jinasu Ben Jinasu Ben, you have to be a man enough. Don't patronize the MP because he's on the line. Pacho, asima okano. We are there bekwetia mrashibejene bekwetia mensin cratcher. So don't patronize any of them. If what you are saying is the truth, what's your problem? Why do you want to patronize the MP? What beka asima wa mrashibejene busa na wasa achisa say on kaso. No momo adia na okana ekana nyuma. If you don't run away from that responsibility. In any case, me busa say oji IGF o de den. O ka chem say 111 city neighbor. You are managing such a facility, but for the MP, no, and council KVIP, no, also can was a money, Ada or Kawas and council with me. Please, so don't patronize the MP by running away from what you have said. Member of Parliament, how do we address this challenger? More providing a lot of cabinet ministers.
Problem will be one from running as immediately as possible. Yeah, addressing that issue, and time 2019, or my 2020, almost the policy clinic now. Minister are promising money. It was on family team, at least a core management. na me yensia nana ye for management committee come provide fund ye for address issues we wo immediately
Medawa no ase na madam nua Ben so no ase Ben Farmer yinsia na mu ni no ma shebe meda ase and many dear because you've called for this meeting and I'm hoping that it's not going to be a meeting where intimidation and those things will happen. It's a meeting that be the forward march of Achase hospital. Mami Musa yinsia na mu ni ohonum se the ekuko kosui e wa Achase Health Center no the way can no so ho asem etise Farmer Ben Farmer namne nkasa yeah, quickly, ma Mimusao, the MPD cano, a Janai Biano ho.
Patadiano.
A Janai Biano ho.
A Janai Biano.
A for hospital, and I say, Oshima for a crowd, a chromophonina.
A Janai Biana or Messinu, a Ghana First project no Muyanibi.
Ghana First.
Enough hospital no. And I should be so much said Janai Biana. It's the Bangal Baquenium as a Batalum Pucrano. Omu bie se omu eyisu a enya dia bangalo no the doctor no better for betumi atan ho adwuma
omu dia kosi bangalo ba ko anim
Ghana First project omu sisi bi ma hodi ono enu abia
oh na usi Janai bia so obi bangalo anim na ade kosi osusu enye hospital dia eye kro ni nyina dia ti anopa ne ato santene na doctor hospital ni ekoja ye na anopa santene ada dia na ebi kra plan basa ase afi dan o se atutu na wa so abeboso wo hu bibisa otimika
amane
me se dan o se atutu no o se wa be wa so se wa be wo hu bibisa
ma hu bibisa
okay
wa yebi but omahe
yeah
ni nyina ne se o yebi but nya wo ye no ense dan se ni sa ebia doctor ni ana se papa nurse ni obeso nyema isinte bia bukan aban adwumenti but MP bon homodin but modin bon na obono ye ban sabia na famu a ensada ensani mamme atiasini ba mfikrom ha because nurse ni ofikrom ha ochina bi no e be transfer ni be ko fufo but me no me mamme wo ha papa wo ha me nanu nyina wo ha se awo kan no bia ha na wo ba bewo enu ntino obi yare e bia ne ntini fa no koda aha na edin beba na otwumenu ni le mpe na otwumenu ni kwasi ade twamu Muza maso na mbo mama ba ko tito yobo ne ba ha mo si ofini mo pa no koda ekwam ne mama ne wuye o wa sai dem mu ntia ne ye kan sei ntin ke bia me mama papa na kato na sabe nkuwu eno ne se omummo modene ho ne de e wo ho o ma ye di ba enso ani omummo modene se omu beye se ne beye a ya chasman ne se be hu se o nya du die a chance health center ne ba se ho dodo empofrim bi accident bi si a o ko beti nya ya se ne mo nya se o kwa be ka cho se bia no se ne tie no ne ya ho de ne enso ntia fa ko da kwan so nye okwana so ko wo kwan so a kwan na ye
Dasebre Jani Kenten oko achiase ono hempo honum nana wadaro ma wanima nana machie
hello
nana machie na pom tisai
ata mo line mo ye faint power
em say ya yera nana ya nana otime kai unfortunately until na kantie yin na mfisu na fe yema enua be man wrap up my na fe yemfa jumede emra na we ya enesa yekogina achiase Health Center wo hwemfonyini wo social media page on my dear koso no enya dia FN papa kra it doesn't befit the status of a health center and ne mashibedwane ne the osho caretaker no edinka ati wrap up my na fe jumede no we
omahin intimate wrap up no etiawa na honorable MP no kasa no se obaha ana oyewi we enya kichibia ebetimi a owo manfo wa chiasa no musei abrena bibia ono mudi sa oso onsuma ba kuma ne mbra hasisia na o make pictures no mamu hu say enetie because last Saturday we see and say no the current word me call na me say man koto no in show 2019 ni antwen sa ana me fi hono mo na ni nyina ntia wanu no asema meka e ba ko pe se ebetimi a anka wonsuma ne nkofo ni bi a omu no betimi aba no na o make pictures na omu ma ne hu ne o ground ebia no bia dada na so o mada eno de na da omu no emfuye no mu ana me da so ginam esan se me papa ne kasa no eye owura ben o sha no pay kura wo fie na odi mika kwaje a wo baako be bia omu chechi akoto eye chedi na guam na na o kase sini kura no eno so kan asem fufuro na me da no ye ne panipa ni din ko na o kase omu ha dum se hu ane eye scorpion hankoto ebi na wato ache o hospital ho ni nyina no adeɛ ɛyɛrehosɛm ɛno nti meti a wane sɛ yɛbɛkoto asrɛ mpanimfoɔ ɛne wɔnom ayɛhwɛ apɔmuden no ho nsɛm so sɛ Akyans Health Center yɛhia mmoa ɛno nti ɔmo mtu ho a na mɔmmɛhwɛ mmoa sɛ na bia biribiara nso ɛbɛtumi afa ne ntoma pa ɛfra
gyina so minute baako mɛ wrap up gyina so minute baako mɛmfa nto so gyina so minute baako na wo na wogyina anam that's the independent aya kora hɔ no but yɛnkɔ na Richmond Amponsa yɛ Akyans Mensin Krache Richmond apom te sɛn enye boko sa because baby a wo superintendent over no hospital infonyina mehwe wa ne videos a mehwe no I to say the nyina ya na montu no atofom kakra atoba what is the challenge with Akyans Health Center
me pacho aya pagare ka kamina ye program aso kuma me pie so me tire kete
e ba kete afi do timi nkaye
hello mini
me se o timi nkaye sisi
pacho bi
okay, Akyans Health Center, what's the challenge?
You, me that's here on the page here for. You know, no customer will say, Akyans Health Center, you can't occupy any standard hospital and a clinic. Then you tell us hospital and a clinic, a basic one match. I just said, Dr. Kwabena Asante, be a man, but if any form of what you say, you better innovation, I can't get near to me up a gym. You know, the Yasin DC. Any MP, any penephobia aboa. You go to a young nigga facility no so. But as some no one day 8 million to stop from about to be able to be a maybe it's a car you go to. Here in the bush, but you know, the bush is inside. It's all inside there. MP, any penephobia aboa, something aboa, you can sit inside. I said about outside, so who accompany hospital because and you cry. But you know, we're inside here. It's not very I go to Chetico. Link I say but any standard.
I see, but when's the last time I'm administrator of the hospital?
Yeah, hello.
Oteminka. Well, unfortunately, I'm saying being a challenge with this hello syndrome. You see, honorable DC, Ebebaho, MC Mikasa on Timinka. Hello?
No. If I try to take look at I'm a few.
Okay, yeah, that's it. I bet to us and come over.
Mr. Chicky, where your boy, yay, Chicky, where your boy, yay. About was some boat, no demons the Ghana, sick of you. Bibi Nika Besha, what to be say, yo. Now me get the English and hot fat coaching, and we in a chair of Hessie, so tap of that. Where are they share? Can't have a Mr. My woman, friends who were the also.
Okay, yeah, then you make we see DBS roofing sheets, Vital kind of a Franco Trade Enterprise, the Dwaso Nsem Fabɛwɔso, Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Well, yeah,